How to remove safe search on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can remove safe search on Twitter. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove safe search on Twitter, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Twitter application here. Once you launch the Twitter app, you want to tap the profile icon from the top left. Then you want to scroll and then go to settings and support. Then again scroll and then go to settings and privacy. Now once you come to settings and privacy, scroll down and then go to privacy and safety. And then here you want to simply go to the option called content you see, so tap on it. Now at the very top you have an option called display media that may contain sensitive content. So first you want to make sure to turn this on. And when we're talking about safe search, we're talking about the search settings, and then we want to simply turn off safe search. So for that, just go to search settings here. And then here you can see hide sensitive content. This prevents tweets with potentially sensitive content from being displayed in your search results. So all you need to do is turn this thing off, and then safe search will be turned off next time whenever you search something. Even in your search results, you have potentially sensitive content. This is how you can turn off safe search on Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.